Hey, it's Greg King here, and welcome to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, Affiliate Marketing Without a Website, 2021. So the million-dollar question is this: can I do affiliate marketing without a website? Well, the resounding answer is yes. Now, what I did is I did a brief search on Google for affiliate marketing without a website, and it came to this, and it's pretty straightforward and bluntly true. And that is absolutely for affiliate marketing, you don't need to have a website. You only need traffic or audience. Now, that's the key, traffic or audience. That's the key that actually has people being successful with affiliate marketing products or services or not being successful. It's the key of the haves and the have-nots. And that's what I'm going to concentrate on today, about how you can actually get your affiliate product or service on the front page of Google, YouTube, and the new Google carousel within minutes. And all you have to do is follow some simple steps that Paul Murphy has with his 24-hour ranking system that have incredible success of how you can get your product in front of red-hot buyers. Then I'm going to share examples of how you can get your videos on the front page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel within mere minutes. And in a moment, I'm going to share a couple of links in the screen and also in the comment section of how you can take these tips and tricks and make them work for your affiliate marketing online business. You know, there's that age-old statement that says, well, if it sounds too good to be true, chances are it is too good to be true. Well, I'm going to share with you at the end of the video a link that is very powerful. I'm going to give you some examples right now of how you do not have to have many subscribers. In fact, at the time of this video, I only had 67 subscribers. And the reason is this is not doing AdSense. You're not selling ads and videos. What you're doing is you're placing a product on a video and selling the product. So you need very little subscribers. In fact, if you get 10 people looking at the video, like red hot buyers that want something that you're offering because you're on the first page of Google, and that's where 75% of the people now go to, you may only need to get a 20% purchase product, only need to have 10 people to get 2 sales. And those sales with affiliate marketing is far more lucrative than any AdSense that you'll have to have, I don't know, what is it, 30,000 views, and you have to have a 400 hours worth of watching, and you have to have reviews. Oh, which brings me to this next one is, you can do this all within minutes. Now you can see here, this is all organically posted, or is, in layman's term, free. And following Paul Murphy's simple steps on this 24-hour ranking system, I was able to place #1 on YouTube, #1 on Google, #1 in the video carousel, all within 3 minutes, under 3 minutes. So when he talks about the 24-hour ranking system, he's being pretty conservative. I can consistently do it under 10 minutes. You can see here is I actually had it on YouTube in 2 minutes. Now, because YouTube and Google are owned by the same parent company, if you follow Paul's steps and do a handful of videos, you'll become an authority in your market, and Google will look at that, and what they'll do is they'll put you into a Google search. And you can see all here when I put how to rank videos on Google first page on the first spot. I can't read this. I haven't got my glasses on. Anyways, I'm #1 here on the carousel in the all, #1 in the videos, and this was all done once again in 3 minutes. Now, this happens over and over and over again. I'm not here to plug myself. I'm here to show you how consistent just following this will be for you and your affiliate product or service. And you can see here, I've taken up the full page of this search, and it happens over and over again. Now, I mentioned before that Google now has gone from going horizontal to vertical, and this is why it's happening right now. And I think what they're doing, well, there's no question what they're doing, is they said 5 years ago, close to 5 years ago, Google talked about that websites are going to be a thing of the past. I mean, they're still going to be a necessity, yet they're not going to be the way that people search anymore. People rarely look at copy now. I mean, we look at blogging was hot at one time, websites were hot at one time. What's actually popular right now is watching videos and podcasts. And you can see here, make money on YouTube without making videos. That's my short tail keyword. Now I'm going to get a little more into depth in the next video. What the purpose of this slide is, if you Google make money on YouTube without making videos, guess what happens with this new platform that Google has? Instead of going horizontal, it is now going vertical. So instead of having just 3 videos, then going like a carousel does and doing 10 or 11, it's now up and down. So if you just follow simple steps, when you Google your affiliate marketing product or service up here, you have the ability to get the first 4 slots. Then come the websites. So you can see what I'm talking about is, why would you do a website if you can organically post and be ahead of websites within mere minutes? So a common comment that I will get is, you don't want websites, but at the very front of your video, you have a website that says make money on YouTube without making videos. Well, let me say this about that. Now, it is true, I do have 2 .com domains. The first one is niche.com, and they're just 2 separate words I put together. It's short, it's sweet, and the reason behind that is YouTube does not like affiliate marketing links. So they're okay with Bitly, they're not really okay with raw links. So I wanted to get a little more personalized, and I just came up with niche.com, and it will direct people to the affiliate stations. Now, the second one, which you probably saw at the very beginning, which was make money on YouTube without making videos, I'm going to show you where that goes, because it does not go to a website. It goes right to my YouTube channel, because I want people to actually come to my channel, watch my videos, and the more times I get my videos watched, the higher they go up in the rankings, and they stay there. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put a couple of links in the screen and also in the comment section. Now, the first link is going to be Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system. Now, he used to charge $9.97 for it, and he's offering it right now for free. And it's free in money only. It is a wealth of knowledge and priceless when it comes to tips and tricks of how you can actually rank extremely high and extremely quick in Google and YouTube. Now, the second link I'm going to put in the screen and also in the comment section is my exclusive free 10-day email course on how you can rank on the first page of Google and YouTube in mere minutes and never pay for ads again. Now, what this course involves is every day you'll get a video that's between 8 to 12 minutes long, and it'll give you more tips and tricks on how you can actually be successful in your online affiliate market business. Thanks for watching my video today, and I do hope you found it informative and of value. Now, over the next couple of days, I'd invite you to actually take a look at the 2 videos that I put the links in the screen and also in the comment section, and decide if this would make sense or not. You be the judge. See if this would make a difference for your business and actually take it to the next level. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you won't miss another one of my videos. Also, leave a comment below and let me know if these tips and tricks would definitely make a difference for your business. So until next time, you have yourself an awesome day, and we'll catch you in the next one.